Playing Cheeky Little Devil at $2 bet. I got on the last spin. 7 or 10. I'll do 7. Come on. That's what you want. The re-triggers. So three chests will re-trigger. 5 spins. The more chests, the more spins. Come on, we need some chests here. Anything. Come on, baby, do it. 1, 2, 3. Nice. This pays very little. 560. Come on, do it. Queen. Oh, 1 queen here. Still 22 bucks. 3 of a kinds pay nice. Imagine 4 and 5 of a kinds. Come on, more. Yes. Oh my God, 12 more spins. What did we get there? 8 chests. 2, 4, 6, 8 chests for $200. Holy crap. Oh, that's awesome. Do it again. Come on, baby. Wow, I didn't realize that 8 chests pays $200. Well, come on, Cheeky Little Devil. Another 122. Wow. I think because it was a 7x multiplier also with it. Beautiful. 300 bucks. Nice. I needed a win today. Been a while. And come on, don't stop now. Continue. We're halfway through the spins. Let's see some more chests. 2, 1 more. And oh, went dead. Come on, you can do it. Make this a $500 bonus. Come on, baby, 1 time. And no, nothing lining up. 1 more. Oh, always 1 off. Come on, baby. 5 more spins. 2 more. Missing 1. Now's your chance. And nothing lines up. 1 more. Wow. Yeah, I'm not going to complain. So far it's been a decent bonus. Another $48. The 10x. Nice. Come on, we need a re-trigger here. 1 time. Last one. And nothing. Beautiful bonus though. $416 on the last spin. Hells yeah. Back to this one. Well, it's paying, you never know, right? In any case, we're going to cash that out and leave caught a $4 tip there, $4.50, whatever. And that's what we're playing at today. And hopefully we'll have many more of these tickets to show you in the future. Bye. Tried a couple of backup spins and didn't get anything. And I tried $20 in Sevens Wild. Nothing. I'll try a couple of dollars in this, and if nothing, move on. Don't stick on a machine. And some people think that it's going to continue paying, and sometimes it does. So I'm giving it a go. But I'm not going to put all my money back in here. Alright, last spin. Come on. One more. Alright, we switch machines. Big City 5s on the new Loud machine. This is the screen that was busted a few weeks ago. So hopefully get the nice line here now. Speed. Aces would be nice. Diamonds, hearts, clubs, bars, or jackpots. Come on, hurt. Oh, one jack here or there. Do it. One more. Oh, it just passed. Come on, club. Speed. Here or there. Come on, aces. Good. Speed. Oh, you got. One more. King. Triple. King. Do it. Yes, sir. Another one? On the last one. That was great. Usually the last one gives you nothing. Oh, there's a diamond. Come on, diamond. Oh, nice. One ace. Spade. Look at this. Double four of a kind. Come on, club. Wild. Come on, do it. Ace. Triple. One time. Timing. Oh. Five more. Two more. Ace. And the last one. Queen. This guy's been bonus after bonus all day. Okay. Do it. Just fell. Good. Hey. Last one. Okay.